Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can install the theme. In previous video we have the issue with the license key, so that is resolved and I have successfully installed the theme. Now we are going to install this is my backend of the October CMS, and here we are going to installing the theme. So let's check where is the theme. So we are using this free theme. This is 7 installations, have 4 ratings. So let's go to the GitHub public repository. Okay, and let's download this full-fledged module. Extract here. Where is theme.py? Okay, this is it has no active license. Okay, let's search this one MDP in the because it's free. NDB by 43.4 piloted as a free blind bootstrap release and custom apps. Okay, let's install this theme. Make directory permission denied. Okay, let's make the full permissions. Try again. Plugin installed. Now go to the front end theme. This is activate. Now go to the manage, edit properties, MGP, and okay. So let's preview the website. So this is the theme that we have installed over here. Okay, so let's check how we can build the pages, how we can make a beautiful landing page with using this theme. So let's check how we can do that. So let me give you the overview. That is the pages that we are going to use. Add new pages, layouts, no layouts found. So here we are going, this is test content, test content. Okay, and pages, this should be the page title test, no test, and URL would be this is a test content. So we need to include header, footer, and all these things to this. Okay, and this is are the pages that we're going to create. This is the menus content. We're going to add this file, and what is plugin is not selected. Please go to the click on the icon to the left sidebar. Controllers. Okay, so this is basically this is the full like overview of that how we can install the theme. After installation of theme, there are various things that we are going to add, like building the custom fields, so that we are going to get into the pages, and let's see how we can proceed on further. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.